Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a new range from KERASTASE. It's their Premiere range for damaged hair with citric acid and glycerin. So I bought the small version of the pre-shampoo treatment, the shampoo and the mask, and I wanted to tell you more about this if you wanted to try. So first of all, I am so grateful that you are here. My name is Irina and I like to post every Saturday a new video about hair care, wellness or skincare. I enjoy a lot testing new product for hair. I have fine hair and in the last 2 years I bleach my hair a lot, trying to achieve a gray ashy tone, but I noticed that wasn't so good for my skin tone, so I returned to my caramel color, this one, and I am so pleased with my hair color now. But let's get into the subject. First of all, if you want to use the KERASTASE Premiere range, you have to know some things, because these products aren't so usually to apply and you have to be very carefully. So I washed my hair last night, but I didn't read all the information, the instruction, and I using in the wrong way. But this is my hair now. I noticed a lot of shine like you see, but I also noticed that my curls didn't last as much as usual. So this is the result of my hair being so detangled and very smooth. So if you enjoy the smooth and straight hair, this line it is for you guys. But also, if you enjoy curling your hair, you can use with a small amount of hairspray, and this is what I want to achieve in this night. I will use in the correctly way, and after I will curl with my headband, because I enjoy to have volume, guys. I have naturally straight fine hair, and with curls made with my heatless band, it is easy to have a nice look and to have this curl that I enjoy a lot. So if you want to start using this range, first of all, you have to use the Concentrate Decalcifiant Ultra Repair. It is their first step. It is a pre-washing treatment, and I don't know what to think, because on the bottle that says it is rinsed out, but on their website they told us that you will apply on your hair and you don't have to wash it. You will apply the shampoo after this pre-wash treatment. So yesterday I washed my my pre-shampoo treatment, and this is the result. But tonight I will use it correctly, and tomorrow I will film it again and I will show you my hair if it is another effect or result. But even when I don't use this correctly, I have such a great result. And guys, I didn't have so much shine in other type of brands. So I will apply like they told us on the official website. So you have to wash your hair, you have to have wet hair, and after you will apply some pumps on your mid ends. I don't want to apply on my scalp, but I go very near my my roots and my scalp, because I have sensitive scalp. But if your scalp isn't a problem, I guess you can apply it on your scalp also, because they didn't tell us not to apply on your scalp. So you have to apply the shampoo treatment. After, you will let sit for about 5 minutes. It is very important to let it sit the amount of time the producer recommends us, because this is the time that all ingredient and good stuff in the product have time just to penetrate the cuticle of the hair and make the miracle happen. After, you will use this shampoo, Premiere KERASTASE shampoo, also with citric acid and glycerin. It is for all type of damaged hair, so be very careful. If you have damaged hair, this range it is for you, but if you have natural hair that wasn't damaged, maybe isn't a good try for you. I apply 2 times the shampoo. I will apply after I did the pre-wash, and I don't wash it out. Wash it very well, and after, the last step is the mask. So the mask comes like this. It is very, very dense. They didn't smell so much. It has a very easily scent, I have to say. After I rinse it, the pre-wash treatment, I have to say that I noticed that my hair become more smoother and softer, and after the mask was amazing. So this mask is also for all types of damaged hair. It has peptide and glycerin. Glycerin, I guess it is in all, yes, all the products have glycerin. The pre-wash shampoo and the shampoo have citric acid, and the mask have peptide. So for the first wash, and I didn't use it so well correctly, I was pleased with the result. Look at this shine. It claims this range that will reverse your damaged hair and will refill the cuticle of your hair, because when we bleach our hair, like I did in the last 2 years, my cuticle lose the pigment and all his strength and force, and become more weaker, more fragile, and this is the reason that I saw a lot of hair falls, and my mid ends become brittle and hard to detangle. So this range, it is professional. You also can use it in the salons. I saw that the range has also oil, an hair oil, but I didn't bought this type of oil because I have another type of professional hair oil. But I was anxious to see the pre-shampoo, because they claim to make your hair stronger and to wash all the calcium and other stuff that build up on your hair during your washes, because the water, it is hard. Also the water can have heavy minerals, so your hair, it is more prone to be damaged if you bleach your hair or make some chemical treatment like keratin, I don't know, several times of straightening your hair, bleaching session, or just your hair isn't in a good condition. So I will wash my hair correctly in this night, and tomorrow I will film again and I will show you guys the result. Maybe I will have another type of result, but I'm pleased with the shine that my hair have already. So if you watch my my other type of videos, you notice that I enjoy testing a lot of hair care product, and I'm passionate about this, and I'm anxious when a new product launch on the market. But I never achieve some type of shine using just the 3 products. I don't put any type of oil on my hair, so the shine, it is just for the pre-shampoo, the shampoo and the mask. So I will wash tonight, and tomorrow I will show you the result, guys. Hi guys. So like I told you in the previous part of my video, today is the next day and I will show you my hair like I told you, and I was using the KERASTASE Premiere set properly. So like I told you, I let sit my pre-wash treatment after I put the shampoo and I wash it. So this is the shine. I like how my hair feels, and I notice a lot of shine, and my hair, it is easy to detangle. So I didn't notice such a big difference since yesterday when I wash my hair with the pre-shampoo, but I didn't put the shampoo. I washed away my pre-shampoo treatment and after I wash properly. But I like this range, guys. So if you have damaged hair, give it a try. My hair, it is so shiny and bouncy, and I did my heatless curl, and I'm pleased with the result. So I hope you will find interesting my video. I post every week on Saturday, so I'm glad to have you here on my channel. Bye bye, guys.